Alright, well, now that we have all that taken care of, right now we're going to go ahead and ground the power commander. So we'll just take off this bolt, take this ground wire, place it on there, put the bolt right back in. Tighten it down. And then we're going to pop off this fender. Undo all the snaps. And we're going to remove these cables so they're all out of the way. Now that we got the cables out, we can go ahead and put this back on. And I would say this exhaust is complete. The dyno is the power commander is complete, and we're ready to load the map and fire this thing up. Well, those were all the steps of installing a power commander. It's properly installed, grounded. All the fuel injectors are all plugged in. This is mounted in the correct spot. We tapped into the throttle body sensor. Everything has been done right. We even took the cables off of the factory butterfly valve, so everything went pretty smooth, and all we have to do is load the map into the power commander, start it up, get it running, and this is all done. This whole install is the way I wanted it to go.